Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, TS Galaxy 0. I'm joined by Munapule Saleng.
Sure, Stivo.
Fere.
No, the Stivo.
Give me one again.
Stivo, it gave me it's a good starting lineup.
Yeah.
Yeah, and coach emotion ngokuthi nje yabona igama leli.
Yeah, Sipombule njaya.
Fakelete.
Hey, simfethu.
Fakelete.
Umpakele.
Uthi nje babaqedile second half.
Yeah.
Kwamela bafake
Umbule. Yeah.
Bakhipha usibilibili omdlali semuva.
Yeah.
Bakhipha uLipito.
Yeah.
Bafaka
Umbule. Yeah.
Sure.
And then besokora more.
Besokora mhlambe ngibale ma 6-0.
Yeah, ntwana ya.
Ngoba the performance iPirates ngijwayele ukuthi idlala ngayo.
Yeah.
Performance nje emnandi kahle.
Yeah, a top ntwana ya.
Sure.
Yeah, una message for Kaizer Chiefs.
Kaizer Chiefs.
Ingena ku Kaizer Chiefs. Una message for Kaizer Chiefs. That's ngiyaqala nje yami.
Yini esingakhuluma ngeKaizer Chiefs?
Ayikho ne?
Yini?
Ayikho ntwana yami. Hayi fela ntwana yami.
Beka, Tina samathambo asiphukeki.
Yeah.
Bona ba ama chips vele sibathi.
Yeah. Kaizer Chiefs.
Ama chips.
Thank you, Saleh.